Make dirt disappear. Shark S1000 Steam Mop. No chemicals, just pure steam magic for all hard floors. Say goodbye to dirt and grime with the Shark S1000 Steam Mop, your secret weapon for spotless floors. This powerful, lightweight steam mop cuts through messes using only water. No harsh chemicals, no sticky residues. Just fill the removable tank, wait 30 seconds, and let the natural power of steam work its magic on any sealed hard surface. Quick, easy, and safe, it's cleaning made simple. Designed to tackle all your hard floors, from gleaming tile to cozy vinyl, the Shark S1000 is versatile and effective. The extra-large, removable water tank means fewer trips to refill, allowing you to clean larger areas without a hitch. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and everywhere in between, this mop's steam-powered cleaning leaves every room gleaming, giving you a professional-grade clean with minimal effort. At under 5 pounds, the Shark Steam Mop is a dream to maneuver, gliding effortlessly around furniture and into tight spaces that other mops can't reach. Its upright lock and compact design mean it's a breeze to store, even in smaller closets. Perfect for any home, the S1000's thoughtful design ensures that spotless floors are just one easy pass away. And with no need for added chemicals, it's as kind to your home as it is effective. The Shark S1000 comes with 2 dirt grip pads that are as hardworking as you are. These innovative, machine-washable microfiber pads offer superior absorption and scrubbing power for stuck-on messes. Easy to clean and reuse, these pads add durability and long-term value to your cleaning arsenal, proving that eco-friendly and cost-effective can go hand in hand. Enjoy quick, on-demand steam ready in just 30 seconds. From start to finish, the Shark S1000 makes cleaning fast, affordable, and impressively efficient. With Shark's quality craftsmanship and powerful features, this steam mop isn't just an appliance. It's a game changer that transforms the way you clean, giving you sparkling floors without breaking a sweat.